Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the back glass on a Samsung Galaxy S9. This one's not broken, so we're going to try to keep it not broken, but we're just wanting to change it out just so I can show you how to do it. So, just in case it does break, I do have a replacement back glass, pre-installed adhesive, pre-installed camera lens. These are the tools that we're going to need. If yours is broken, I would suggest to use this type of tool because it's not really going to damage anything as long as you're only under it, you know, 1/8 of an inch at the very most. So let's get started with some heat. So you're warming up the phone, and we're going to try to get in right on the edge here. I'm going to try starting with my metal tool, and then I'm going to switch over to my plastic tool once I get a little lip opened up. So now I have my plastic tool in. I'll try to get another one. And I'm going to work each one the opposite way around the phone, trying to separate the glue. This phone happens to be in really good condition. It just happens to have a broken screen, so it's the reason why I had to take it off. And I figured I'd just show you guys how to do it. Just walk that around. When you get near the edges, or if it gets to a point where it doesn't really want to slide, you probably should add some heat. This one, the edge seems okay. A little bit thicker ones started to maybe pick that glass up for us a little bit. So there we go, we got the corners nice and lifted in the back here, in the bottom. Now let me continue to work my regular picks underneath. It's right here in the middle, it's still as you can see down the side here, it's picked away, but not necessarily all the way. I'm just gonna go in there and knock the glue down, the little strands. That's basically all that's holding it on this end, is a couple of little strands of glue. Just continue to work down the side until you get to the corner again. You can work the thicker ones down right behind it so it leaves it spaced out. accidentally powered it on. A little more heat. Gotta watch out because the fingerprint, your fingerprint scanner is right here, so gotta be careful with that. Starting to slowly lift up. If you can see here on the side, you can see a couple of little strings of glue still holding it. And now we're almost 100% free. Got to work this right side a little bit more so I can unhook the home button flex cable, or the fingerprint scanner flex cable I should say. So get that side popped up very lightly. Now if you look down in here, you can take this pick and pop off your flex cable. So now if yours was messed up, we can just reuse this one. But if yours is messed up, since you're taking it off, if you don't get one that has the pre-installed camera lens, you would have to heat this up, slide under here, and slowly remove this all out, and then re-adhere it back into your new camera or your new back piece. Okay, now we're ready to put our back glass back on. Make sure that you didn't touch those camera lenses on the inside because you won't be able to clean them. Make sure you didn't touch any of the cameras here. So what we're going to want to do, since our adhesive is good, I'm going to rehook our home button, or not a home button, but our fingerprint scanner back up. And how you're going to want to do that is leaning the phone to one side. It'll let you try to put this so you can see it, but you should be able to plug it back in pretty easily. And then once it's plugged in, if you're not reusing one, it comes with adhesive already pre-installed on the ones that we purchase, and if you need to, you could always use some extra red cell phone tape and run it around it to make it a little bit more stickier. What you're going to want to do is start by pushing down on the back glass and setting the screen left to right nice and good. I usually like to take the heat gun, put a little bit of heat to it. Reheat it so that the glue's nice and sticky. I like to easily push down around the edges where I know that the frame is there. So after you get it all cleaned up, looks like brand new again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and then I can make some more videos. And if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments section.